Okay, so we are kickstarting a brand new full color book of Civil War art and original poster art from the graphic novel, The Civil War Diary of Freeman Colby, Volume 3. I drew a lot of full color artwork for this book and it didn't all fit in the book, like this front cover artwork. It's actually a wide format poster showing Freeman Colby at the Battle of the Wilderness. Or this back cover artwork is actually a wide format poster showing the students in Harriet Jacobs Freedman School. Now in this book, you get to see the full artwork in full color. And even better, I placed each poster alongside the primary source visuals from the archives, so you can see how I'm learning from these Civil War era artists and incorporating their ideas and artwork into the graphic novel and into the story. So thanks for backing and helping us get this book out to Freeman Colby readers and history fans and art lovers and schools and teachers everywhere. And tell them how they can back it, Greta.